Are your armpits darker than the rest of your skin? Before you spend money on expensive brightening creams, you may already have something in your kitchen. But there is one popular baking soda combination you should be very careful with. In this video, I will show you 3 viral baking soda DIYs, how to use them, and which one I will actually recommend. Dark armpits can be frustrating. You can have clear, healthy looking skin everywhere else, but your underarms may look darker, uneven, or almost shadowy. And sometimes the more product you use to fix the problem, the darker and more irritated the skin becomes. That's because dark underarms aren't always caused by dirt. They can be caused by friction, shaving, irritation from deodorants, built-up of dead skin cells, or repeated inflammation. So today we are going to talk about 3 simple baking soda DIYs: baking soda and water, baking soda and lemon, baking soda and coconut oil. But there is one important warning: baking soda is alkaline and can irritate sensitive underarm skin. While lemon can be especially irritating, irritation can actually make pigmentation worse. So don't think if a little works, more must work better. It doesn't. Let's get into the DIY. DIY 1: baking soda and water. Ingredients you need for this DIY are only 2: 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of clean water. You also need a small bowl. Add about 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a clean bowl, then add a few drops of water and mix until you get a thin paste. You don't want the mixture to be extremely thick or gritty. Before putting anything on your underarms, make sure the area is clean and completely dry. Then apply a very thin layer of the mixture to the underarms. And here's something important: do not scrub aggressively. Your underarm skin is sensitive, and harsh scrubbing can create tiny amounts of irritation. If you are trying this, despite the irritation risk, keep the contact time very short, about 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat the area dry rather than rubbing it, and don't immediately follow this with perfume, deodorant, fragrance, or any other potential irritating product. So when you mix your baking soda and water, make sure you clean your underarms, make it clean and dry before you apply the mixture. When you apply it, if you have sensitive skin, don't leave it on for too long. But if you don't have sensitive skin, you can leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. And when you apply it, don't rub it, don't aggressively rub it, just go gently in a circular motion, applying, and leave it on. After everything, you rinse it off with lukewarm water, and immediately after, I know you will want to apply your deodorant, perfumes. No, leave it for some time first. So if you have very sensitive skin, eczema, cuts, razor burns, or a history of irritation, please keep this DIY. It will irritate your skin the more. So if you have sensitive skin, this DIY is not for you. DIY number 2: baking soda and lemon. Let's talk about the DIY you have probably seen everywhere: baking soda and lemon. You will need only 2 ingredients for this DIY: baking soda and lemon, and also a clean bowl. You put 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon. If you have very sensitive skin and if you react to lemon or baking soda, you can add a little water to help dilute the acidity of the lemon before applying it on your skin. So you mix everything together, apply it on your underarm, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off. Lemon is very acidic, so if you have sensitive skin, I don't think this remedy is also for you. So lemon and baking soda is very good. At times you can just cut the lemon into half, put baking soda on top, and apply it under your arms. Don't go aggressively, go gently and slowly on your underarms. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse it off with lukewarm water. And remember, don't apply deodorant, perfume, or any other product under your arm immediately. Leave it for some time before you apply those things. Now let's move to the 3rd combination: baking soda and coconut oil. This one is different because coconut oil can help make the mixture less drying and provide some emollients. But remember, Coconut oil doesn't cancel out the irritation potential of baking soda. So I don't think all these DIYs I've mentioned is good for people with sensitive skin. So the ingredient you need are 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add both ingredients into a small clean bowl, mix them together until you get a smooth paste. If the mixture feels extremely gritty, don't aggressively rub it into your skin. So when you apply a small amount to your clean dry underarm. Make sure your underarm is clean and dry before applying any of the DIY to it. Instead of scrubbing vigorously, gently spread it over the skin. Slowly, you don't need to go hard aggressively on your skin. So you can leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off. But if you have sensitive skin, as I said earlier, all these remedies are not for you because baking soda irritates the skin more. And again, don't use this immediately after shaving. Give your skin time to recover before you apply any of this DIY. Immediately after shaving, don't apply them. Leave the skin to heal for some time before you apply any of these DIYs. But here is the real secret to lighter underarms. Now let's talk about something much more important than any DIY. If you keep treating the pigmentation but continue doing the thing that caused the irritation in the first place, the darkness may keep coming back. So ask yourself, why are my underarms getting dark? So if you want to know the reasons why your underarms keep getting darker, here are some reasons. Number 1, shaving. Frequent shaving can irritate the skin, especially when you are using a dull razor or shaving without enough lubrication. Instead, use a clean, sharp razor, use shaving gel or another gentle shaving lubricant, and avoid repeated going over the same area. So if you shave too often, it can irritate the skin, it can irritate your armpits and make it darker. Number 2, friction. Tight clothing can constantly rub against your underarms. That repeated friction can contribute to irritation and pigmentation. Try wearing clothing that doesn't constantly rub against the area. Number 3, deodorant irritation. Some deodorant contain fragrance or other ingredients that may irritate sensitive skin. If your underarms become itchy, red, burning, or uncomfortable after using a particular product, consider switching to a gentler fragrance-free option. So at times the deodorant that you use can make your underarms to be darker. Then number 4, over exfoliating. This is a big one. Some people see dark on the arms and think, let me scrub harder. Then they use baking soda, lemon, sugar, toothpaste scrub, and sometimes multiple products in the same week. So all these DIYs I've mentioned is you are not supposed to be doing it every day. 1 to 2 times a week is okay. Doing it often, over exfoliating the skin, can irritate the skin and make it more darker. Now let's talk about patch testing. Before trying any new skincare product or even a DIY mixture, test a small amount on this less sensitive area first. Wait and see how your skin reacts. If you experience burning, severe itching, swelling, blistering, significant redness, persistent irritation, wash it off and stop using it. Your skin should never have to cut in order to become brighter. So now let's quickly recap. DIY number 1, baking soda and water, is simple but can irritate sensitive skin. So I wouldn't make this a regular underarm treatment. DIY number 2, baking soda and lemon. In order to reduce the acidity of the lemon, add a little water, and if you have sensitive skin, skip this DIY. DIY number 3, baking soda and coconut oil. Coconut oil can make the mixture feel less dry. You can also use baking soda and coconut oil. Now I want to hear from you. What have you tried for dark underarms? Baking soda, lemon, natural oils, or the skincare product? Tell me in the comments, because your experience might help someone else watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because I have more simple skincare tips coming your way. I will see you in the next video. Bye.